Welcome to the Kids Library. Today we'll play game, Spin and Count. Let's start. Rules of the game. 1. Click to spin the wheel. 2. Click again, stop the wheel. 3. Then count the numbers. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 butterflies. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 frogs. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bumblebees. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 dragonflies. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 caterpillars. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 2. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 birds. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nails. Click to spin the wheel. You landed on number 1. Let's count. 1. 1 ladybug. Great job, kids. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.